What's up guys, welcome to Lativa's Python tutorial. In the last time we have talked about the first part of tuple, and in this time we gonna talk about the second part of tuple. At first, for example, we set a tuple A equals 1, 2, 3, and 4. And what if we want to change the item in tuple? What will happen? Let's see. Tuple A and item 1 equals 100, and we execute it. Yeah, as you can see, it is type error because the item in tuple is immutable. But in another way, we resize an entire tuple. For example, tuple A equals 100, 200, 300, and 400. And we print tuple A, execute it. Yeah, as you can see, the new of tuple A is 100 to 400. Entire tuple can be resized. Alright, let's go on and take a look. Tuple delete. Tuple B equals 5, 6, 7, and 8. And what if we want to delete the item in tuple? What will happen? Let's see. Delete tuple B item 2 and execute it. Yeah, as you can see, it is type error because, as we said, the items in tuple can be changed. But in another way, what if we want to delete an entire tuple? What will happen? Let's see. Delete tuple B, and we print tuple B, execute it. Then tuple B is not defined because we delete the entire tuple B successfully. Alright, let's go on and take a look at some method in tuple. For example, we set a new tuple W equals W I O and N. Alright, tuple W is Williamson. And what if we want to know how many alphabets are in tuple W? What can we do? We just use count method and execute it. Yeah, as you can see, there are 2 of I in tuple W. And in another way, what if we want to know what's the rank of I in tuple W? What can we do? We can just use the index method in tuple. Yeah, as you can see, the alphabet I is rank 1 in the tuple W. Alright, let's go on and take a look iterating in tuple. For example, we set a for loop for name in Doncic, Trey, and Yanis. And we print, then go and execute it. Yeah, as you can see, the names of tuple iterates in the sentence what we want to print. It is very simple, right? Alright, today we have talked about change, delete in tuple and some methods iterating in tuple. If you like this video, please keep thumbs up, share this video and subscribe. See you next time.